In the United States, the iPhone isn't just a smartphone, it's a lifestyle product. Today, on Newman Tech Breakdown, we're taking a realistic look at Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max, focusing on what actually matters for U.S. users. Design and build, USA user experience. Apple introduces a refined design with a titanium frame, making the iPhone 15 Pro Max lighter than previous models, something U.S. users will appreciate during long daily use. The slightly curved edges improve grip, especially for one-handed use. Ceramic shield glass on the front and back provides durability that holds up well in everyday American lifestyle scenarios. Action button. Practical for U.S. users. The traditional mute switch is replaced by a customizable action button. In the U.S. market, this is especially useful for quick access to the camera, flashlight, voice memos, or accessibility shortcuts. It's a subtle but meaningful upgrade for productivity-focused users. Display, media, and streaming ready. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display supports ProMotion with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. This makes scrolling, gaming, and streaming on platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and Apple TV Plus feel extremely smooth. With up to 2,000 nits of outdoor brightness, visibility is excellent even under bright American sunlight conditions. Performance, A17 Pro chip. Powered by Apple's A17 Pro chip, built on a 3-nanometer process, the iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers top-tier performance. For U.S. users who multitask heavily, edit videos, or play advanced mobile games, performance remains fast and stable. Apple also introduces console-level gaming support, bringing high-end gaming experiences to mobile for the first time.
Camera, content creator friendly. The triple camera system includes a 48-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, exclusive to the Pro Max. Photo quality is natural and detailed, which U.S. users prefer for social media and professional content. Video recording remains industry-leading with excellent stabilization and ProRes support, ideal for creators and vloggers. Battery. All-day USA usage. Battery life easily lasts a full day with typical U.S. usage, including navigation, streaming, calls, social media, and photography. Apple's optimization helps balance power and efficiency without compromising performance. USB-C, a big win for U.S. users. For the first time, Apple adopts USB-C. This allows faster data transfer and better compatibility with accessories commonly used in the U.S. market. Charging and connectivity now feel more universal and convenient. Connectivity and software. The iPhone 15 Pro Max supports advanced 5G connectivity, delivering fast speeds across major U.S. carriers. Running on iOS, the phone benefits from long-term software updates, strong privacy controls, and a smooth ecosystem experience. USA pricing and value. In the U.S. market, the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at a premium price point. This device is clearly aimed at users who prioritize performance, camera quality, and long-term reliability over affordability. Carrier deals and trade-in offers can significantly reduce the upfront cost for American buyers. Checkmark, final verdict, USA market. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is one of the most refined smartphones available in the United States today. It's not a massive leap for recent Pro users, but for anyone upgrading from an older iPhone, it delivers a premium, future-ready experience. That's my USA market-focused breakdown of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Newman Tech Breakdown. See you in the next one.